Alright, so today we're going to do a review on a Zhen Premium Knife Company chef knife. Comes wrapped like this. It is a Japanese Kyoto 9.5-inch knife. And it is from their carbon stainless steel series. It's a VG10 and it's got a beautiful handle, a couple of nice rivets, so it's a full tang. Has a nice edge on it. So we'll go ahead with a little bit of slice and dice here. I think what we'll start with is a little brunoise of red bell pepper to see if it cuts all the way through the skin. That slid through that real nicely. So now it does have a nice roll to it. Okay, so it's went through the skin real nice. I don't have pieces that are stuck together. Oh, right there, a little bit. Maybe I didn't have enough roll going. And it does have a pretty nice glide on it. I feel it crimping my finger just a little bit here on the hold. It does have a pretty nice throw through here, and what's really nice is the knife ends here. It doesn't have a big wedge here like some Henkels and so on do, which means you won't have to grind this knife when you go to sharpen it. Alright, so let's do a shallot. So it's not breaking the shallot apart. I'm able to slice through that really nicely. And now let's see. Yeah, it's doing a real nice cut on that. So that looks real good. Real nice pieces there. Next, let's try a potato, mostly to find out how much the starch on the potato is going to cause this to stick to the blade. And I don't see it sticking that way. So that seems to be working real nicely. Now we'll go to a carrot. Basically just want to square this carrot off and see if I can pull the knife through the density of the carrot. So it's not splitting the carrot. Some knives will crack a carrot when you're trying to cut like that. And now I just want to see if I can pull. Okay, I can't quite pull the knife through unless I really apply a good amount of pressure. So let's see if I can do it this way. So that way it does pull through it. So again, has a nice sharpness to it. Lastly, a lemon. It's going through the skin real nice. You can see that this is a pretty thick-skinned lemon that I've got. And that one really goes to town on the paper. Real nice. On the carrot again, I'm just trying to pull through, and it's doing real nice on that. Green onion. Looking to see if I get the full all the way through, as well as no bruising. And if you can zoom in on that, I don't see any bruising whatsoever. So very nice. And on the salmon, it's a pretty nice slice. I don't get all the way through. Could use a longer knife or maybe a smaller piece of salmon, but it does get a real nice slice on there. This knife seems to have a real nice edge on it. I'll have some ratings on it later after I do a few other knives to compare it against. But that is the Zhen VG10 Japanese steel Gyoto 9.5 inch chef knife. Their model G6.